In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new custom fields in Goodday. Custom fields are a great way to capture the exact information your team cares about, beyond the standard fields that come out of the box. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can set up fields that match your workflow. First, make sure you're logged into your Goodday account. From anywhere in the app, look for your profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is your main gateway to personal and organizational settings, so you'll use it often when configuring the system. When the menu opens, look for the option labeled Organization Settings and click on it. You'll need to have the appropriate permissions to see and access this area. So if you don't see Organization Settings, you may need to ask an administrator to grant you access or create the fields for you. Once you're inside Organization Settings, you'll see several configuration sections. Find the section or tab called Custom Fields and click on it. This is where all existing custom fields are managed and where you'll create new ones. It's a good idea to glance at the current list of fields so you don't accidentally duplicate something that already exists. Now, to add a new one, look for a button labeled New Custom Field and click it. This will open a setup panel or pop-up where you can define the details of your new field. This is the starting point for tailoring Goodday to match your team's terminology and data needs. Next, you'll be asked to select the type of custom field you want to create. Depending on what Goodday offers, this might include text fields, numbers, dates, drop-down lists, checkboxes, and more. Choose the field type that best fits the kind of data you want people to enter. For example, use a drop-down if you want users to choose from a fixed set of options, or a date field if they need to pick a specific date. After selecting the type, simply follow the on-screen prompts. You'll typically give your field a clear name, maybe add a description so your team knows how to use it, and choose where this field should appear, such as specific projects, task types, or workspaces. Take a moment to double-check your choices, then save your changes. Once saved, your new custom field will be available wherever you configured it to appear, ready for your team to start using right away.